Well, a new testing method for COVID-19 has just been approved. In tonight's sponsored Utah Success Stories, Doug Jessup gives us the details and the Utah connection in his special report.
Currently, COVID-19 tests are being done with the use of a long swab.
The swab goes up into the nasal cavity and into the sinuses.
One of the problems getting more people tested is a shortage of those swabs. It was just announced that researchers from Rutger Infinite Biologics have successfully validated saliva as being a viable biosample source for COVID-19. Utah-based Spectrum Solutions was the sole saliva collection device used in that study. Chief Operating Officer Bill Phillips explains.
We had to do comparable studies to the swab, and we collected over 75 samples of swab and saliva device with people that do and do not have COVID-19.
And what were the results?
100% comparable.
You may have seen or even used their DNA tests they make for companies like Ancestry.com. Their patented collection system works the same for collecting saliva for COVID-19 testing.
The patient spits into the tube and then pulls the funnel off, puts the cap on, twists the cap to close, and the fluid transfers from the cap into the saliva.
The fact that the test is self-administered helps protect healthcare workers from exposure to COVID-19. The biggest news is that Spectrum is making saliva collection kits now.
Not including weekends, we can produce 1 million kits a month.
How do people get this saliva test?
Let's be clear, this is not a direct-to-consumer test. This is a doctor-ordered test that you can self-administer. A swab version you cannot self-administer.
What could the saliva test be used for other than the COVID testing?
For diagnostics, which we are submitting for the FDA for, can be for any type of diagnosis, which are cancer-related, gastrointestinal issues, things of that nature.
With another Utah Success Story with Spectrum Solutions, I'm Doug Jessup, ABC4 News.
So many cool things going on in our state. All right, if you want to see more Utah Success Stories or nominate a company for him to profile, go to abc4.com/success.